Today marks a significant shift for Shiba Inu. After days of crashes, the token has finally rebounded, reclaiming most of its losses within the past 24 hours. Investors are celebrating, but a massive revelation has surfaced. It appears that Coinbase and BlackRock have been making some questionable moves, raising concerns across the crypto community. Billions of dollars in crypto transactions are now under scrutiny. However, one analyst suggests that these actions might indicate something else entirely, potentially signaling the moment Shiba Inu needs to regain its price momentum. So what exactly is happening, and why is this important? Let me explain. Hold on a minute. Shiba Inu's price is actually climbing. After enduring wild swings, the token seems to be heading in the right direction, recovering everything it lost over the past day. This is huge. I don't want to jinx it, but could this be the breakthrough we've been waiting for? Sure, the increase isn't enormous, but any upward movement is a win. Shiba Inu has been stagnant for so long that even a minor push feels like a victory. Every rally has to start somewhere, right? What if this is just the beginning? Could Shiba Inu finally be waking up? The crypto market has been full of surprises lately, and this could be one of those pivotal moments. However, before we get too excited, we should remain cautious. One analyst pointed out that while Shiba Inu is showing strength, it's still hovering near a critical resistance level. Whether it continues climbing or retreats depends on how it reacts to this zone. Yesterday was unexpected. Shiba Inu posted solid gains while Bitcoin and most other altcoins struggled. It was a rare moment when the token defied the broader market trend, which is exciting. But zooming out, Shiba Inu is still down significantly over the past week and month. That's where things get complicated. Market expert Paul Endio explained that Shiba Inu has been facing tough conditions, including weak network growth and a decline in interest from major investors. He also highlighted a concerning pattern in the charts that could indicate further downside if momentum doesn't hold. Additionally, recent reports show that on-chain activity for SHIB has dropped, which isn't helping the situation. All eyes are now on this crucial price level. If Shiba Inu holds steady, we could see a strong recovery with prices pushing toward this month's highs. But if it loses support, another decline could be imminent. While this rally is encouraging, it's still a waiting game. That being said, this small pump is a breath of fresh air. Sure, it's not the biggest jump, but given how rough the crypto market has been lately, it's a positive sign. Here's the surprising part. Even with this modest boost, many investors have moved into profit. A while ago, only about a third of Shiba Inu holders were in the green, while the majority were at a loss. Fast forward to today, and despite market struggles, tens of thousands more investors are now seeing gains. This shows that Shiba Inu's overall profitability has improved. While many wallets are still at a loss, the percentage of struggling holders has dropped. That's a big deal. So why has the price action been so unpredictable lately? To understand, we need to step back and look at the bigger picture. Bitcoin has been moving in a similar way, recovering slightly and erasing recent losses while settling within a specific range. But here's where things get really interesting. One analyst just uncovered who's behind this Bitcoin volatility, and it's none other than Coinbase. Bitcoin, as the face of crypto, is always under intense scrutiny during price swings. Recently, something unusual has been happening. Ki-Young Ju, CEO of CryptoQuant, pointed out that large-scale traders on Coinbase, often called whales, have been dragging Bitcoin's price movement over the past week. Trading activity on Coinbase surged significantly, adding to Bitcoin's turbulence. Even more intriguing, Ju's research revealed that Bitcoin ownership is more spread out than people realize. Big institutions and ETF buyers purchased Bitcoin at much higher prices, while Binance traders got in at much lower costs. Meanwhile, miners and long-term holders bought at prices that seem unbelievably low compared to today's market. This diverse mix of buyers, each holding Bitcoin at different price levels, creates a market where some are cashing out while others hold strong. Since Bitcoin's movements set the tone for the entire crypto market, it's no surprise that Shiba Inu and other altcoins are reacting accordingly. But there's more. BlackRock just made a massive move, offloading a significant amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum in just an hour. The crypto community is buzzing with speculation. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, reportedly shifted a massive stack of Bitcoin and Ethereum into its Coinbase account, around 1,800 Bitcoin worth over $160 million and 118,000 Ethereum valued at roughly $44 million. This happened in an extremely short time frame. This raises serious questions. Is BlackRock doubling down on crypto, reallocating funds for clients, or preparing for something bigger? No one knows for sure, but moves like this aren't random. A transfer of this magnitude suggests that the market could be in for some major action soon. Whether it's just routine portfolio management or a signal of a bigger shift, one thing is clear: when institutions like BlackRock make moves, the entire crypto world takes notice, and that includes Shiba Inu. On a more positive note, Coinbase also pulled off something major today, a new partnership aimed at making crypto trading more accessible. Coinbase just announced a deal with Onboard Global to provide a smoother, more secure way for people in Nigeria to buy and sell crypto. This is huge for a rapidly growing market. With this partnership, Coinbase wallet users in Nigeria can now purchase crypto using their local currency through a network of trusted sellers. On top of that, both companies have pledged to keep prioritizing user needs while ensuring compliance with regulations. As the crypto industry continues evolving, partnerships like this could pave the way for even greater adoption, benefiting Shiba Inu and the entire market. With everything happening around Coinbase, this could be a game changer for Shiba Inu. Coinbase's central role in major crypto transactions, institutional involvement, and increased accessibility are setting up a major moment for the market. And guess what? Shiba Inu could be one of the biggest beneficiaries. Historically, whenever Bitcoin moves, Shiba Inu follows closely behind. If crypto adoption keeps growing and momentum builds, Shiba Inu could be on the verge of something massive. We've seen it before. When SHIB rallies, it doesn't just move up a little, it skyrockets. The pieces are coming together. The question is, are we about to witness another Shiba Inu breakout? Looking ahead, patience might be the best strategy. Markets move in cycles, and sometimes the smartest move is to ride it out. As one analyst pointed out back in 2017, Bitcoin experienced multiple major pullbacks before hitting new highs. During that time, altcoins like Shiba Inu saw even larger corrections, but those who remained patient reaped the rewards. History often repeats itself in crypto. Shiba Inu has faced volatility, dips, and wild price swings, but all of this could be leading up to something incredible. The real question is, are we ready for it? What do you think? Comment down below. If you're curious to learn more, check out the videos on the screen. And with that, we wrap up this update. Don't forget to turn on notifications. Missing a critical Shiba Inu update could cost you money. Also, share this video to spread the news.